Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Strinova if it won't launch on your PC. Alright, the first thing that you need to do here, or to try at least, is to simply restart your computer. The simple restart may help fix the issue. Now, if restarting won't work, just go ahead and open up your Steam app. Now once you're in here, just go ahead and hover your mouse into the top left and click on Steam right here. Go to Settings, then simply head over to Downloads and hit the clear cache button right here and simply wait for the process to finish. Alright, once done, don't launch the game yet. Locate Strinova, click on the game, right click on it, go to Properties, go to Installed Files, and simply hit on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This one might take some time, so patiently wait. Once done, close this one, play Strinova, and see if it helps. Now if that will work, click Strinova again, right click on it, go to Manage, and head over to Browse Local Files. Once you're in here, go ahead and click or double click Launcher. Scroll down a bit until you see the Strinova application or the game's exe. Once you have it located, right click on it and go to Properties. A window will pop up. Just go ahead and go to the Compatibility tab. Make sure that Run this program as administrator is ticked. Once done, hit on Apply, hit OK, open your Steam app, play the game from here, and see if it helps. Now if that will work, go back to the games directory again, right click on Strinova, go to Properties, Compatibility tab, run this program in compatibility mode 4. If you're using Windows 11, there's an option to choose Windows 10 right here, so go ahead and use that. If you're using Windows 10, go ahead and use Windows 8 as shown, and then simply tick Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Once done, hit on Apply, hit OK, launch the game again, and see if it helps. Now if that still won't work, close Steam app, close the directory, go to your search bar and type in graphics. Once this graphics settings pop up, just go ahead and click on it. Alright, make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on and hit on Browse right here. Click on Browse, go to C as it is usually installed on C, Program Files x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, then Strinova. Again, the launcher folder, double click, scroll down a bit, and select the Strinova application. Once you have the game highlighted, go ahead and hit on Add. And as you can see here, Strinova is added. Just go ahead and click on Options and make sure that it is set to high performance. Once done, hit on Save. After that, don't launch the game yet. Again, head over to your search bar and type in Firewall. Once this system setting pops up, Firewall and Network Protection, click on it and wait for it to load. Once it loads, locate Allow an app through Firewall. Alright, click on it. Then in here at the top, click Change Settings. Now at the bottom, click on Allow another app. Click, then hit on Browse. Again, go to the games directory, C, Program Files x86, Steam, then Steam Apps, Common, Strinova, Launcher, and the game's exe. Open and simply hit on Add. As you can see here, I have already added Strinova earlier, so I'm not going to do it again. So I'm just going to hit on OK, close, and I'm simply going to locate Strinova right here. There you go. Highlight Strinova and make sure that both private and public is ticked. Alright, once done, simply hit on OK, close this one, run the game again, and see if it helps. Now if that still won't work, right click on the game, go to Properties, make sure that you are in the General tab. In here in the launch options, just type in -DX11. Once done, close this one, play the game again, and see if it helps. Now if that still won't work, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and paste this link right here. Don't worry, I'll leave this link in the description. Once you're in here, just go ahead and scroll down a bit until you see latest Microsoft Visual C++ for distributable version. Alright, if you don't know what to click or download here, or if you don't know your Windows supported architecture, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in DXDiag. Hit on Enter and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, here in the system information, just go ahead and go to operating systems. And as you can see here, I have Windows 10, which is 64-bit. if you can see 32-bit right here, go ahead and download the x86 version. All right. And as you can see here, I have 64-bit. So I'm going to close this one and click on this 64-bit link. All right. Click on it and a download page will start. Let's go ahead and start the download. Follow the installation process. Once done, restart your computer, which is pretty crucial. Restart your computer. Once done, launch the game again, and it should work now. All right. Now, if that still won't work, you might want to update your system. To do so, head over to your search bar again and type in system updates. All right. Simply click on check for updates right here. Now, once it loads, click on check for updates. If there are available updates, go ahead and install those. Once done, again, restart the computer, launch the game again, and see if it helps. Now, what if none of the fix helps? Well, you might want to check the game's minimum requirements. All right, let's go to the game's page. Go to store page. I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see here, here is the minimum system requirements. Should have an Intel Core i3 4170, 4 GB of RAM, NVIDIA GeForce GT 730 or AMD R7 240, DirectX version 11, and a storage of 25 gig, and a sound card must be DirectX 11 as well. Now, what if your computer doesn't meet the minimum requirements? Well, that is the reason why the game just won't launch on your computer. And sadly, you will have to upgrade your peripherals. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.